A Day in the Life as we said Filipino Student, Communication Activity, Edition Emnida.
So hi, good morning. I'm Monica Lucia, taking ASET Filipino. So I experienced handling a students when I was senior high school. I experienced also outside the campus. I experienced speech letters students, and that's why I'm here in National Teacher College to pursue this profession. So I hope I become a successful teacher and then a knowledgeable teacher for students to learn more. And let's proceed. I have a question for you. So here's the question. How would you introduce yourself in one word?
Introduce myself in one sentence. For me, I am a dedicated person with a passion about in teaching, especially when I was grade 12. I am a student teacher and I have a strong leadership in terms of handling students, in their behaviors, handling some members of one band. And I would introduce myself as a fashionable, enjoyable, and approachable person that you can easily approach me when you have a problem or when you have a trouble in your some problem, so that I would help you a lot. And sometimes I cannot easily approach to you or I cannot easily reply or respond to your request. So because of some of my PC is not good because of my hectic schedule. That's why I'm sincerely saying sorry to other that hindi ako pwede ngayong araw. But next time, magkakaroon tayo ng panahon para pag-usapan yan. So, I hope na dito sa sinasabi ko, mabigyan ko kayo ng panahon kung saan mas kilalanin ang may sarili at mabigyan nyo ng panahon yung mga kagustuhan nyo balang araw. In this case, as a student or as a future teacher in the coming 2 years, I have realization if I can do this course or if I can successfully for this course, because of this course is not easy just because it's a Filipino, Tagalog. No, it's not that. It's not just like Filipino lang yan. Pero if you have a passionable and you have a dream like, yes, I need to success this course. I need it to be a teacher in major in Filipino. Someday, you need to try and make it successfully and give your best to achieve that goal. So, in a short way, again, my name is Catherine Micaela Cordero. You will remember me as a student leader / ACAT.
So again, thank you for giving a time for this interview. Thank you.
English, because no one will judge how we communicate. We must be confident when we're trying to communicate using the English language. That's why I create this video to encourage you. We don't need to fear ourselves or how we communicate with others.